Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens with some more knife use and sharpening tips for you. I've just been using these knives on another cooking procedure, and I shared a video as well. So anyway, they're getting a little dull now. I noticed that right away. I'm using a stainless steel cut glove. This one's ready for the laundry, but regardless, it's got a white coating on there, but it's braided stainless steel mesh. So to give you an added level of safety when you're using a knife sharpener like this is a diamond steel. These are made in America. I like it. An added level of safety, you're cutting towards yourself, or you're sharpening towards yourself, like this. Okay? With the glove on, I have no worries about hitting the guard or hitting my hand. It gives you a high level, it's cut level 5, gives you a high level of safety. So when you want to go a little quicker, or you're worried about safety, you put the glove on and you're good to go. So I'm doing about a 15-degree angle here. And people often ask, well, is the knife sharp? I'll show you in just a minute. Same thing here, from the heel all the way to the tip. Now you got to be careful with these longer knives. You're more likely to hit the guard or your hand. This knife is very, very sharp. And once you get the practice down, you're gonna go, wow, so easy. All right, I'm done with those. When I'm all done, I like to wipe them off. Another reason to have the glove. You can see a little bit of metal particles right there. So the metal particles don't belong in your food, and there's definitely some steel right there. Okay, I'll be back with a piece of paper and I'll show you just how sharp these things are. Here we go. Do you think that knife is sharp? I believe it's sharper than any knife in your kitchen or knife block, unless you have the right tools. Get the right tools the first time. Buy the best quality you can find. Don't get the cheap stuff. Oh, look at that. These knives are sharp. They're ready to go. They're going back into my knife block. And with that, I want you to get cooking. Get cooking and have a great day. Check out the butcher blocks at the sponsor, the knives, the sharpeners. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, a side note. Chef's Butcher Block is a built-in unit. This is about 30 by 25, 4 inches thick, end grain rock maple. This one has been cut on more than 10 million times, and it just keeps going. It's very easy to clean. We use this bench scraper, remove any food or particles, and get cooking again. It's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in Butcher Block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often, we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. it's gonna be good. Have a beautiful day. Or you were making two-tone cream of butternut squash soup. Oh, yeah. Wow, half the cheesecake is gone already. I've reserved half for later use. Now I'm going to cut this one into smaller slices. You can see it's not that easy to cut. It's important you have a nice sharp knife that is warm. and dry for each cut. So I'm going to cut these into some small pieces like this here. You also want to work quickly and get this back in the refrigerator or serve it.